how to find Weathertech discount promo codes. Now in this video, I'm going to be showing you where you could get Weathertech discount promo codes for free. So the very first thing that you want to do before you go ahead and fill out this form right here to have uh, any purchases that you would like to have on Weathertech is just simply go into this website that's going to be called simplycodes.com. This has been my always go-to website when it comes to discount coupon codes for free. So once you're here, head on to this magnifying glass and just simply type in WeatherTech. Now it should be on the very first result. And then as you can see, there are a lot of codes that you can use. For example, on 15% off, 25% off, and so on. For you to be able to use this, just click this option here that says show code, copy it, and paste it into WeatherTech. And that's how you find WeatherTech discount promo code.